What's going on, everybody? Gino coming at you again with another video on the Toyota Celica. Today I'm going to be degreasing my entire engine bay. So the degreaser that I'm using to degrease this dirty, disgusting, poop-ridden 16-valve electronic fuel injected motor power, because purple is power and we're going to use the purple power to make more power. I'm going to spray some of that bitch in the intake. Fucking 200 horsepower, my dudes. You know what's up. You know what's up. No, but all seriousness though, I'm going to use this purple power and spray it all over a bunch of shit. I am actually going to spray it on the alternator, but I will disconnect the battery, and I'm not going to start it until it is completely 110% dry. I'm also going to take the intake off. Like, I'm going to unplug the heat air temp sensor, and I'm going to take that intake thing off so I can just slide it out. And I got some saran wrap, and I'm going to zip tie it around the throttle body. I'm not afraid about getting water in those wires. I'm not going to be like friggin' with the nozzle like spraying into it. Like, I'm just going to get the hose and like rinse it off like that, which is fine. I need another one of these clamps because this only tightens down so much, and it doesn't tighten down enough to clamp around the throttle body. So I got to get another one of these, just not right now though. No. Ow! Just hit myself in the nose. That hurt. I've never actually broken a zip tie before. Ow. That really hurt. I just punched myself in the nose. Alright. Gotta get another zip tie. Never happened to me before. Oh, alright. And we're back. My nose is bleeding a little bit. I did wipe it away. So let's try that again. Oh. Zip ties are the enemy. Don't explode. Alright, so it's on a normal charge. It's at 25%, which means it's pretty dead. So I'm going to leave that there, let it do its thing. I'm probably going to clean the battery with some baking soda and water, just because that's how you're supposed to clean a battery. It just gets rid of any like parasitic draw or anything like that that could be on it. I'm going to let that sit for a while, let it charge up. So I don't think I need to rinse down the engine bay with water before I spray the purple power on. I think I have to spray that on first, let it eat some of the grime, and then I rinse it down with water. So that's sit for a little while, so I guess I'm going to rinse it off. Holy crap, I can already see the difference. That looks awesome. Oh my god. came out awesome, but I'm actually going to go over it again one more time just so I can like get whatever. And I'm actually gonna get like a little brush so I can agitate some of the dirt. That is a lot cleaner than what it used to be. I don't know how good it is in showing up on camera. Obviously this is still a little wet, or not, or it's just like grime. No, oh no, that's wet. That's still wet. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to like completely dry by the sun. I did use the blower thing that I got. It just looks so much better in here. Like, it was crazy how dirty it was, and in person it looks great. On camera it doesn't look that much different, but it honestly looks pretty sick. You know, I'm gonna keep the engine like this for now until I decide to pull the engine and do some cool stuff. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the start of something great. I know it. Better, but it's not gonna be great. It's upside down and stuff's always gonna go up and hit the hood, so I'm not too worried about that. I would like to take it off and, I don't know, paint it or do something. I don't even know. I don't know. But for now, this is pretty sick. To be honest, it doesn't look that much different. But it is a lot cleaner, like a lot more sterile, and I am happy that I did take the time to do this because it is something that I wanted to do. I am going to stop at the store real quick and pick up some new bolts for that battery tie down. I might get the bolts for the radiator tie down, like the radiator brackets, I mean, not the tie down. Or, I guess it could be called a tie down. I tried spraying the alternator as good as possible. All of this stuff, it's not that it's dirty. It may look dirty, but that's actually like really clean. This is just like pitted aluminum, and there's not much I can do about this. Was that breather all the way in? Oh yeah, okay, it was. Whew, that wouldn't have been good. I will check the oil, make sure there's no water in it. So I'm going to end the video off here. The next video I'm going to do is going to be a straight continuation from this video. But yeah, so the next video I'm going to continue where I left off. More content, because instead of making a video a week, I want to see if I can bang out more videos and make them really good quality to the best of my ability, but also make a lot of quantity of them so I can get more people watching, I guess you could say. Something like that. But yeah, guys, so I'll catch you guys in a second in the next video, but for now, peace out, see ya.